Hi, in front of me is OPPO A33 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Open it, click at the bottom right corner and choose Settings. Then click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want. When you're done, tap at the top right corner and bottom right corner again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, Set As, and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!